Hey, we got another guy right over there towards that fence bunker thing over there. Yeah, where I'm pointing the laser. And they got two more coming that way. Hey, Brendan. We got some at the clubhouse. You see him? Oh, we got 3 over there. We got 3 over there at the clubhouse. Oh, shit. Ah, hit! Oh, fuck. Can I leave my gun here? Yeah. I don't know if I can get my gun. Fuck carrying the gun. Damn, are those real shotgun shells? Holy shit. Damn it. They're still over there? Where's he at? Hey, Brennan. Got a guy coming over there. Hey, give me some space. I'm gonna run over there. There's somebody running. Anybody? Oh shit.
Because right here and there's like right in front of her.
Shit.
Oops. Oh, dude, almost stuck out.
Where's
my final mag?
Where's Victor already?
I got him, don't worry. Got him.
So there's no one coming anymore?
There's one guy, you'll see him if you pop out the corner.
Where's he at though?
Approximately. I'm gonna say, see you later.
Oh, he's right there. I see him.
Yeah. See you later.
Dude, how the fuck did I get him? Dude, fuck him right now.
Got him.
Fuck, dude, my suppressor.
He's down.
They're coming up.
Yeah. I got you.
Ah! Hit!
Fucking weird.